I hope you are all doing great. I'm Joseph Techi, your facilitator for Mathematics Basic 4. And I hope you are all ready for the lesson. I say mathematics time, activity time. Now, let us perform an activity. Look at something. How many counters do I have? Please remember, I said counters is not only bottle tops. Mathematics, this is long, but now I'm using it as my counters. Anything that we can use to count is what is referred to as counters. So don't say that counters are only bottle tops. So here I have 2. When I add another 2 to it, it becomes what? 4. I add another 2 to it. How many are there? 6. Let me add another 2 to it. 8. Let me add another 2 to it. 10. So I can do it and do it and do it and do it without ending. So today we want to look at factors, multiples, and square numbers. But learners, remember, we have talked about factors already. Now we are on multiples of numbers. Multiples of numbers. Please, before we come to today's lesson, remember, I gave you homework. So let's try to answer the homework. So that was the homework. Find the highest common factor, that is the HCF, of 8 and 4. So when we come here, let's look at the factors of 8. Please here, it could be the set of factors of 8. It's the set because I've written the set there. So the factors of 8, we have 1, 2, 4, and then 8. Then let's come to the factors of 4, or the set of factors of 4. So that one too, we have 1, 2, and then 4. Then here we have the set of common factors. The set of common factors. That is the number that I can see it here and at the same time here. And these are the numbers. We have 1, 2, and then 4. So now I consider the set of common factor here. Then I pick the highest number. And picking the highest number, 4, what's the highest number among these numbers? So 4 becomes the HCF of 8 and 4. Learners, this is very simple. I believe that you got the answer correct. Thank you very much. Now let's come to today's lesson. We are saying today we are looking at multiples of numbers. And now let us look at our objective. Our objective is by the end of the lesson, you will be able to find the multiples of a given number. So any number that they give to you, you should be able to find the multiples of that particular number. Now let's come here. We want to find the set of multiples of 3. The set of multiples of 3. And when we say multiples of 3 or multiples simply means repeated addition. Repeated addition. Before I came to this lesson, or before we started this lesson, we performed an activity there. I was adding two counters, and you saw the answer I was getting. Now they are saying the set of multiples of 3. So what they are saying is multiples of 3 is repeated addition of 3. So when I put 3 here, the next one I have to add another 3. The next step, I'm supposed to add another 3. The next step, I'm supposed to add another 3. The next step, I'm supposed to add another 3. So I will be continually adding 3, and you see that if I don't take time, I will never and ever end. So here we are looking at the sets of multiples of 3. Remember I said when we say the set of, you are supposed to bring the sign. This is the set sign, or this is the set symbol. I said mathematics is language, but we represent the language with symbols. So when we say sets, this is the symbol. And we have to find the numbers, that is the set of the multiples of 3 are supposed to be in it. So let's look at it. We are going to do it. So the first one, it means that multiples of 3. I should put my 3 there. So how many are there? 3. It's repeated addition. So the next time, I'm supposed to add another 3 to it. When I add another 3 to this, it becomes what? It becomes what? 6. When I add another 3, it becomes what? Yes, let's look at it. I want you to think. I want you to look at it, and then you tell me the answer. So it will be what? 9. But we have to separate them by using the comma. If you don't separate the numbers with comma, then you get one figure. So 9. I want to add another 3. I said it's repeated addition. So I add another 3. It becomes what? 9. I've added another 3. It becomes what? 12. Then I want to add another 3 to it. 12. I've added another 3. It becomes what? 15. I want to go again. So 15, I want to add another 3 to the 15. It becomes what? 18. Good. Have you seen that? So here it means that I can continue adding, or I can continue to add and add and add and add. So here, to end it, we use 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. I use 3 dots, and these 3 dots have meaning. There's meaning to these 3 dots. The 3 dots, there is meaning to it. It means that it's infinite. And when we say something is infinite, meaning it has no end. We can do it and do it and do it and do it without ending. So this is telling us that it has no end. We can continue adding. We add and add and add. We will not finish. So to end it, then we are supposed to place the 3 dots. So any mathematician will understand that what we are saying is you can continue to add without ending. Then you close your sets. So here, the set of multiples of 3. If you don't bring this 3 dots there, then you are wrong. You are supposed to place it there. Now, but I ended 18. You can choose to add. It depends on you. Well, this is infinite. It depends on you. I landed or I ended on 18. You can choose to do it up to, I don't know what to even say. You can continue and continue and continue. But I have ended on 18. So if I should have added 3 to it, like it will become what? Like it will become what? 21. But I don't want to go there, because I will do it and do it. So now let's come to this one also. Let's come to this one. Here too, it says the set of multiples of, I want you to give me number. I didn't write any number there. So we can decide to put any number there. So the set of multiples of, what number? What number do you want me to put it there? Okay. I want to put 5 there. 5. So here is the set of multiples of 5. The first one was multiples of 3. Okay. So the set of multiples of 5. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first number is what? 5. So I have to write my 5. The next number, I'm supposed to add another 5. It's repeated addition. Multiples is repeated addition. So I have to add another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next number will be what? Count the number of the counters over there. So the next number will be what? 10. Let's come to the next number. So here too, it means I'm supposed to add another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I add another 5 to it. How many are there? 15. Then I'm supposed to add another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I add another 5 to it, it becomes what? Yes. So how many are there? 20. You see? I can continue and continue and continue. So let's assume I've added another 5. Like it will be what? 25. So here it means that I can continue to add, but I want to end here. Because if I continue to do it, I'll get tired. So if you want to end, if you are tired and you want to end, then I said you are supposed to place 3 dots there. 1, 2, 3. Then you close your sets. Learners, have you seen how it is? When they ask you to write multiples of numbers, this is what you are supposed to present it. If you forget to bring this, you get it wrong. The dots is telling us something. The dot has its meaning. So you are supposed to place it there. Unless otherwise. Now let's look at this one, the third one. Now let us look at the third one. The third one here, they are saying that the set of first 10 multiples of 4. The set of first 10 multiples of 4. Have you seen that? This one, if you are not careful, they will use English to trick you. The first 10. Look at it. The first 10. And the multiples of what? The multiples of what? 4. So here they are looking at multiples of 4. But they are saying you should bring the first 10. So we want to try that and see. The set of first 10 multiples of 4. So the set will be there. Learners, don't laugh at my set sign. Aha! So here, the multiples of 4, meaning the first one, my 4 is there. The next one, it means I'm supposed to add another 4 to it. It becomes what? 8. The next one, I'm supposed to add another 4 to it. It becomes what? Yes, 12. How many have I done? This is the first 3. The first 3. Or the first 3, yes. multiples of 4. So we have 3. And they are saying the first 10. So it means that I have what? 7 more to do. 7 more. So I have to add another 4. It will be what? Yes. 16. So 16, I have to add another 4 to it. 20. 20, I have to add another 4 to it. It becomes what? 24. 24, I have to add another 4 to it. It becomes what? 28. Please, as we are doing, then you have to count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they are saying the first 10. And I have done 7 of them. So it means that I have 3 more to add. So 28. 28, when I add another 4 to it, it becomes what? 32. 32. 32. If I add another 4, I add another 4, it will be what? 36. Remember, I said as you are doing, then you have to count. Because here, they have given you restrictions. If you go beyond that, you are wrong. It's not like the other one. The other one that you have to choose where to end. This one, if you do it less, you get it wrong. If you do it more, you also get it wrong. You are supposed to do it exactly. The exact number. They are saying the first 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means that I have to add another 4 to the 36. And when I add 4 to 36, what will be the answer? 40. Now, let me count and see if I've been able to get the set of first 10 multiples of 4. So here, the first one. So this is the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So I'm supposed to end here. This one, whether I like it or not, that is where I'm supposed to end. And this one, I don't have to bring any 3 dots. Take note of this. With this one, you are not supposed to bring any 3 dots. When you bring the 3 dots, you are wrong. Here, they gave you where to start and then where to end. So this is finite set. This is a finite set because it is having a starting point and then the ending point. But the first one was having the starting point but no ending point. So here, then I close it with my set symbol or the set sign. So when we say the set of first 10 multiples of 4, then these are the numbers that learners. Have you hear anybody saying that mathematics is difficult? It is very, very easy and simple too, and also interesting. There are a lot of games in mathematics than the other subjects. I want you to tell me, even the Ludo that we play, when we play, we count. the Owari, the football that they play. Look at the scores. So there are a lot of games in mathematics. And I know Western subjects. If you don't know, I'm telling you today. I like mathematics, and I want you to also like mathematics. Learners, I don't want to leave you like that. I also want you to try your hands on this. I want to give you this homework. I want you to find the set of multiples of 7. Then, the next one, you will find the set of multiples of 5. Having your ample time, your free time. Try and then you practice. If you don't practice it, you'll forget it easily. That is why people say mathematics is difficult, because they don't practice it all the time. So please, I want you to practice.